Going on our own.
They do it again.
But there you see, 93 races since that last winning of the media. I just know the right formula, the right chemistry, the
Nice. Name's like it.
what was in 2014 last year is that I can get back to where I was a few years ago as far as winning races. Around the outside and to the lead comes Ryan Newman with Denny Hamlin's Toyota pushing Newman's Chevrolet. 47 laps to go.
That's hilarious.
Because they were there. Right now, a delicious Big Dipper pizza with your favorite topping is just $12. Get more at marinara and less in your wallet. The new Big Dipper pizza, only $12 and only at your Pizza Hut. How about we open up a whole can of Getting It Done and get this year's colors up on the wall this year? Let's get better prices and better paint. Let's break up the drop cloths, rollers, brushes, and kitchen. Let's start small.